My name is Michael Kitchen. I'm the Safety Compliance Specialist for the Transit Department in the City of Albuquerque. I've worked for solid waste for 2 years, and now I am employed with the Transit Department for 8 months. I was the Safety Compliance Specialist for solid waste, and the Safety Compliance Specialist that worked at Transit was named Keith. He was a great guy. We ended up co-instructing CPR classes together, and I got to understand that the administration department at Transit was top-notch and a really good one. So I worked hand in hand with the Transit training department, and when the spot became available, I applied for it. Graciously, I got it. The training department and the administration for Transit is what pulled me here from solid waste. So depending on what week of the month it is, a day could be teaching a CPR class. I could get up at 4:30 in the morning and do a safety audit at the buses, talk with the drivers to make sure that there's any safety needs or concerns that they have throughout their day. I do building inspections. We do a lot of training with the safety department and the training department. So we do ladder training, CPR, bloodborne pathogens. Each month it's a different training. One of the wonderful things that I love seeing is when I ride the bus to look for problems is when you see the relationship between a driver and a passenger that know each other and have known each other for a long period of time. So this will extend beyond my knowledge of knowing, you know what I'm saying? You can tell that the two of them have conversed for a long time. They know each other on a first name basis. They sit beside each other. They know the person's dog's name or their daughter's name. I love seeing those sort of things. When you see things like that, that's what lets you know that that person enjoys what they're doing. And not only that, but they enjoy working for Transit and they enjoy their job. So I was a combat medic in the Army, so others may live. It's just not a motto, it's the way I live. So one of the things that I really enjoy about my day is when you see the light bulb go off on somebody's head that you've explained something or you've shown them a path or a way to be safer throughout their project or throughout their day. When you see that light bulb kick off, that's an awesome feeling. When you teach somebody or you teach a CPR class to a group of like 10 to 14 individuals, and at the end of the class you see the smiles on their face and the determination that they almost seem like they're ready to go save somebody. When you see a class of people with that knowledge go out into the world, it just kind of makes you feel good about yourself that you're doing something good for society. There's a CSA app. I mean, we really put a lot of effort and time into that. If you are a frequent rider, do your community and yourself a favor and download that app. That will help us monitor the doings on the bus and able to better provide a better service for you. What I would recommend is you just don't stay idle. Right here with the city of Albuquerque, the Knowledge City and the programs they have to further your education, no matter what your skill level is or your education level may be. If you just come in here with a high school diploma, we put you in a CDL, we can get you a great paying job with retirements. You can't rival our benefits. Continue your education. You might start off as a general laborer, and in 2 years you could be a manager of your own department. The sky is the limit, just depending on how much energy you want to put into your education and time. It's well worth the job. Since I have started in working with the TSO and transit safety, I have a really good ability to be able to turn my back on people and not worry about what's behind me on the bus now. Especially if a TSO is there or a Guard World employee, I know that the system is getting better. So yes, I feel safe on the bus myself, all the time. Hey man, thanks for watching. Come join the transit team soon. Hang out with the safety department training. Find your notch in the transit world. We're waiting for you, brother.